Good morning, YouTubers. It is Friday, August 31st. It's 5 minutes till 2 a.m. A couple things I want to talk about is cell phones um, and what carriers we should be using out here over the road, um, and some useful tools and apps you can download on your phone, ISO or excuse me, iOS, and Android. Excuse me. Whew. So I talked to a few of my friends. We all got different cell phone carriers, and one of my buddies has two cell phones carriers, AT&T and T and Verizon. I mean, we got three major ones. You got AT&T, you got Verizon, you got T-Mobile. You know, those are major players out here. I just kind of want to take a pool and see what you guys think and an OTR driver should use. Therefore, some of them are newer drivers that are coming out here can have the best possible communication with their dispatch or boss or whoever it may be. So, drop a link, drivers. Drop a link. Drop a comment. Tell me what y'all think OTR drivers should have for a cell phone carrier. Myself personally, I have Verizon. Uh, it is what it is out here. I like Verizon. They have not failed me. I think they're doing a great job with their whole towers and everything like that. You know, I use iPhone, Apple. I got an Apple Watch, tablet, cell phone. I got a jetpack. All Verizon. And then, you know, some useful tools out here. Netflix for your downtime so you're not bored. Amazon Prime, audio books from Amazon. Audible is the app, I do believe. Yep. I listen to audiobooks. Keeps me going when things are slow, or that midnight run or whatever. Another app to use and download is My Weather. Excuse me, My Radar. It'll let you know if any storms are coming or in your area, and that's key, guys. Out here, you don't want to drive into a damn blizzard. Excuse my language. Um, Trucker's Path. That's app that'll tell you where truck stops are, rest areas, wait stations. Uh, if we use it correctly out here, it'll also let you know if the scale's open or closed. I find it to be about a 80-20 ratio. 80% correct, 20% bullshit. Um, those are some tools you can use. Life out here on the road. You sacrifice everything. Just so y'all know, this isn't an easy job. You got mental stress you got to deal with. You got to deal with traffic. You got to deal with the police. A bunch of different things you got to deal with out here, other than just holding the steering wheel. There's a lot. You know, if you got to have a run-in with the police out here, you know, DOT, Department of Transportation. You know, that when that officer walks up on your door and he looks in, you know, he's going to look at your appearance. Are you trashy looking, scuzzy, nasty, you know, whatever? Your appearance is going to tell that officer how hard he's got to look to find something. Now, if you're like me, clean, organized, you know, have your things where they need to be and not scattered all over the floor. Have a trash bag for your trash. You know, your floor is not a trash bag. You know, no, your floor is not a trash bag. You know, cleanliness, organization. I preach that a lot because if you look clean, you look organized, the DOT officer is not going to mess with you guys. You know, especially if you do your pre-trip. Your pre-trip will save you time, save you money. You do a proper pre-trip, take you anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes. Technically, key term there is it takes you as long as it takes. You know, when you do your post-trip, you sit there and do your walk around, make sure nothing's leaking, your light's working. You know, you do all that, you'll catch issues like hub leaking, flat tires. You know, you shouldn't pass the buck. You shouldn't drop a tire or a trailer that's the tire's blown or whatever. You know, your hours of service too, guys. You know, stay within your limitations. I'm not here to preach safety to you guys. That's what your safety manager is for. But I will answer questions if you comment on anything. Any of my videos with safety questions, you know, I'll try to get the answer. You know, that's about it. Like I said, just drop your comments down below. I kind of want to do a poll here. So let's see who says what about cell phone carriers. Very curious about what's going to be said out there. I like Verizon. That's all I'm saying. Verizon got my vote. And then give you a little update here at Night Dream. Still going strong from the last video. It's not a lot of downtime except for your 10-hour break, which is good. It means you're making money. And that's what it's all about right there, making money. It's rough out here, guys. Especially when you're running hard. It's very rough. But, you know, you're making money, you're making money. Sacrifice, you know, this and that. It's worth something. Anyways, I'm going to wrap it up, guys. This is the East Side. You're watching the East Side's channel. Click like, subscribe. You never know, I might say something interesting. I might say something funny. You know, you never know with me. But when it comes to, you know, safety updates, tips, and all that good stuff, I'm not going to give you false information. That's not my goal out here. You know, I'm all about helping each other out, trying to bring that back. But, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. click like, subscribe down below. Just see it. Thumbs up, thumbs down. You know, you're not gonna hurt my feelings any. Um, and if you're curious about Night Dream, uh, you can give them a call. Ask to speak to Steve. Really cool, laid back guy. He's not gonna bullshit you guys. You can tell him, you've seen my YouTube channel, and one of your drivers got a YouTube channel, whatever have you. Tell him the East sent you. You know who I am. Yep, that's it, guys. I'll give you some more information. We'll talk about other things. But my topic on that whole cell phone thing and the cell phone pool, definitely interested what you guys got to say. I don't care about regional, OTR, over the road guys. So if you're going from East Coast to West Coast, who's your cell phone provider? What type of cell phone are you using? Android or Apple? Very curious about that. Just so we can be a little bit more informational out here, I like talking to my wife. I like talking to my kids. So for me, Verizon's worked. I don't drop calls. I don't drop calls in the mountains. There are some places that's a little sketchy, but I still say Verizon. That's my vote, guys. East Side signing out. Peace.